That's my bonus points.
How do you like you're going from a 4th to a 6th order?
I absolutely hate it.
You hate it?
Absolutely.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I get in?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, thank you. Oh. I like your seats.
A little different than the
Different. Wow. No more Chucky theme.
Chucky's sitting in the back.
Oh, it is in the back. Okay. I'll see it after. Wow, this is cool. And you've already shrunk your port, kind of dialed it in, or?
A little bit. More work to do.
How do you like?
153.8 at 18 hertz today.
Woo.
That's my bonus points.
How do you like you're going from a 4th to a 6th order?
I absolutely hate it.
You hate it?
Absolutely.
Do you like the code control more on the 4th, or what is it you like on the 4th?
I like the controller.
You do?
This is very uncontrolled. Very hard.
Yeah.
You gotta be in tune every song.
Yep.
The first 2 songs I played on here, I destroyed the sub on each song.
Oh. You gotta learn your limits, yeah. I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, appreciate it, man.
Open still.
It is okay.
If it's not, just lift up the top.
Yes, sir. All right, everybody, give it a like. Woo. You got your fans here.
Yeah, fans in, fan out. Slide it down the middle like last time.
Yep.
There's a lot more fans here. All right, 18 hertz, here we
Whoa! My whole body's just jiggling with the seat to that frequency. That is low.
When I came today, I went to go in the lanes. I swear to God I was going to grenade it. I was scared to death.
Yeah.
It was his first run today, so.
Yeah.
But it prevailed. And
Yeah.
I'm fucking happy.
Nice.
Now I'm just like, fuck it, 18 hertz, play it.
Play it. Woo.
Hold on, we'll play it all over. This one will be higher.
Okay. Oh, what scar stuff is this? What are this equipment? Oh, so you got 6 EVL 15s. Okay.
Well, perfect. Unrio 5K. We have both the 43.3. Then I sent you a picture of the cooling box already. Yeah. I'm 95 amp hour.
cheap, but you got better bandwidth now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.